We got a little bit of rain last night, just a little bit, and maybe some more on the way. So let's check the peppers out after the rain. Good afternoon, good evening, good night everybody. Happy Sunday to you all. Sunday the 26th of July, and it's day 161 of the Chilli Grow Up. Weather's a bit strange today. See, sun's breaking through now, just about to. Lots of grey clouds in the sky. There's been a little bit of rain late evening yesterday and through the night. Nothing crazy, but as you can see, the soil's looking just a little damp on the top, and we gave them fertiliser, a little bit of fertiliser yesterday, so they were all good for water, they were all good for fertiliser. That's good. So for today, hopefully there's no more blossom end rotten peppers, so we'll have a look through the rest of the plants, and hopefully all of the pods are growing and maturing nicely. Goodness me, look at this wind. I suppose it is good for the plants, it strengthens the stems, but at the same time we don't want them blowing over. And I hope you guys can hear us with this blowing. It's a bit crazy, but yeah, just strengthens them up, I suppose. I expect we've lost a couple of flowers in these breeze, but yeah, all good. We'll just check through everything, make sure everything's looking okay, and the pods that we've seen before, let's just see how they're doing, if they grow more, are any starting to turn into that lovely darker colour, red and fiery. Other than that, I hope you're doing well. I hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful weekend, a wonderful Sunday. Me and Lucy are just hanging out, aren't we, kid? Hey, just enjoying the cooler weather. It's about 20 degrees, and let's do this, let's get into this. Let's get into day 161. Well, good morning. A happy Sunday to you, baby. You gonna have an egg, are you? Yeah. Can I get a paw? Paw. Thank you. Enjoy. Okay, let's start with that ghost pepper plant. They had the blossom end rot. And you see on the top, lots of these flowers are starting to change over. We've got a pod here, looking lovely. We've got some more popping out there. So it looks alright. Hopefully that's just a dark red there. And then we have this one. Huge pod. It's looking alright at the moment. So hopefully this one survives and doesn't get blossom end rot like the other. It's looking good though, eh? The ghost pepper plant. Here's another ghost pepper plant. Lots of new nooks coming up on the top, new buds showing. It's going to fill out nicely, flowers nicely blooming there. But look down here. Got one here. So many growing here, look. Some in the back. Look at the size of that one. So hopefully these all make it on the ghost peppers. Our overwintered cayenne. These leaves are looking a little bit droopy now. I don't know if it's because the plant's focusing more on the chilies or not, but it's all good. It's absolutely loaded up, as you can see. And I don't think any of them have started to turn red just yet, but it did take a long time before. So I'm hoping in the next week or so we get some change in colours. There's the one with the sun scald look, just on the tip. But yeah, hopefully some of these change over very soon, so I can eat them on the cayenne. Just checking on our Buena Mulata. See lots of new peppers on the side, some off in the distance, look. Then we've got one here. Lots coming through into here, and on the back, and lots of flowers, beautiful flowers as well. Looking good. Buena Mulata. Our little cayennes next, a little pot, just loaded, absolutely loaded. More peppers than leaves, I think, at the moment. So hopefully these change pretty soon. On the small cayenne. Here's our sweet banana. Lots of new little nuts, flowers, new buds showing. And then further down, look at that. Lovely, lovely peppers. Looking great. Just beautiful. Get these pickled, hot sauces. Who knows? Looking great. The sweet banana. Got a Poblano next, blowing in the wind. Super tall. And it's copper coil as well. And look at these. Lovely stuff. All starting to appear. Lots of flowers and new buds on the top for the Poblano. Here's a black jalapeno. Now at first I was like, oh no, we've lost some flowers in the wind. Look at this, you ready? What is this? Look at those. They've really turned now. I'm just trying to see if there's any up on the top there. Lots of flowers. But yeah, there we go. Black jalapenos forming nicely. Beautiful. Here's a Buena Mulata. And we've got some growing. Looking lovely. Lots of flowers blowing away in the wind there. Okay, it looks like we just got a couple there. There's one here. And one there. So far so good on the Buena Mulata. Got a little cayenne here. And we're just starting to see some lovely peppers forming. Look at that. Looking great. Loads in the back and lots of new flowers on the cayenne. Here's another black jalapeno. Lots of lovely new flowers. And look at this. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Starting to turn there. That's another little one there, look. There we go. Looking great. Another one growing just on top of that one. And this one's about to change. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. Black jalapeno. Just checking on our big Armageddon. Look at all that stem. Crazy, crazy. It's got its copper coil. We've got flowers here. And up on the top as well. Looking good. On the Armageddon. Here's some dream catchers. Looking lovely. Flowers but no peppers just yet. And here's our bigger one. Looking good though. On the dream catchers. So the Scotch Bonnet MOA, just checking it, look what's happened. We've got peppers. Here they come, just starting up now, look. Beautiful, on the Scotch Bonnet MOA. Let's check in on the big Kashmiri Mirch. Some beautiful flowers all around the plant, you see it's just starting to show, and look at this. There we go. We have a Kashmiri Mirch pepper. Doing great. Took long enough on the Kashmiri Mirch. Here's another Armageddon. Just huge. A few flowers starting to show, look. Just a few on the huge Armageddon. Here's the Padrón, blowing in the wind. Lots of flowers. There we go. Looking great on the Padrón. Got a Habanero here. Looking great. New flowers, new buds starting to appear. No peppers just yet on the Habanero. Second Habanero. Lots of new shoots, new leaves. Starting to get some flowers and buds popping up there. Time will tell on those habaneros. The jalapeno. There we go. First jalapeno there. Two there. Some more starting off in the back. Beautiful jalapeno. Here's a second jalapeno. Quite a short plant, but peppers are coming on the jalapeno. Got a Tabasco here. Lots of new flowers. Good strong stem. Lots of bushy leaves. No peppers just yet on the Tabasco. Here's the Zimbabwe Black. Lots of new flowers. Still small but bushing out nicely. Time will tell on the Zimbabwe Black. Here's a Carolina Reaper. Nice and bushy at the moment. Just starting to see some buds. Just starting to appear. Looking good though. The Carolina Reaper. So there we go. That wraps up day 161. All the plants are looking alright. We got the black jalapenos turning. We've got lots of new peppers on the Padrones, the Poblano, Scotch Bonnet MOAs. Lovely, lovely. The super hots are showing the flowers. Everything's looking great. The ghost peppers are producing lots and lots, and they all look okay. They all look like there's no blossom end right at the moment. And they are. The Cayennes are firing out. The Buena Mulatas are doing great. So I think sweet bananas are doing good too. I think everything's going to be okay at the moment. So I think we can wrap it up for day 161, wrap this Sunday up. So thank you so much for joining us. It means the world to Lucy and I, doesn't it, kid? Eh? Thank you all once again. You take care of yourselves, okay? Make sure you look after me, myself and I, because no one's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. Have a wonderful, wonderful Sunday and a great rest of your week. And we'll see you tomorrow. See you Monday for day 162. Thank you all. Take care. Bye-bye.